Today is 2/27/25, and my good friend Peter is trying to sell a Honda Odyssey. We're about to go check it out for the first time. You can see it has like the 06, 07 wheel style. Kind of like Momo Aeros back in the day style. So this car history is it's on a lean sale. So this door works good. You can hear the click. Okay, so when you sell it, it's gonna be fixed, right? All right.
I can put the motor in to fix the door.
All right. So let's see what the mileage is.
The mileage is this one. Cái này không đúng, cái này bỏ cái đồng hồ hồi mua cái đồng hồ mileage nó hư rồi.
Oh, okay. So it's a different mileage. So he had to replace the cluster.
Yeah.
So does the check engine light work?
Everything. No check engine light, nothing.
Can you show turn off and turn on? Let me see the check engine light. There's a check engine light. Where's the check engine light?
Right
there it is. Okay. So we start the car. Perfect.
CD, cái này navigation, everything.
Wow. And has DVD.
And DVD. And see the ceiling real good.
Yeah.
AC gì đó trước sau đầy đủ.
Yeah. And the AC, turn on the AC. And that feels getting cold. Yep, okay, to make it hot.
Hot?
Yeah, turn it hot.
Turn it up AC.
Yep. You could use sync. When you hit sync, they'll work together. Just one button.
Hot right away.
Oh, it's going up. Change the mode.
Oh.
One more, right there. All right, it's getting hot. I can feel it. Oh, it has an alarm. All right, that's good. And then, can I open the sunroof?
Sure.
All right, that works.
Sunroof, everything works.
All right, and then all the lights interior work. All right, all the lights work. Let's keep the heat on a little bit longer. Oh, you already turned off? Okay.
I turn off.
All right, and the music, it needs a code. All right.
Cool.
Okay, perfect.
DVD changing.
Eject.
No,
I think you need the code. You need the code for it to work. All right, let's look at the engine and the body. So the VIN number is 0367 at the end. 036. What is the VIN number?
Right here.
0367. So I need 0367 everywhere. Yep, 0367. Oh, we can't. Maybe open real fast. Oh, yeah. This guy must be like, forget. He must have dropped it. Push the handle. Oh, you saved the water. All right, let's check on the. Let's check the motor. All right, that's good. 3.7 liter. Warning is equipped with the remote control engine starting. Confirmed to US EPA regulation up 2006. And it's a California car.
Quiet.
Yeah. Motor's quiet. Let me see any smoke coming in from the back.
Nothing hot smoke, easy.
All right, looks good. We have a little battle scar here. You have the part here?
Everything.
All right.
I just take it out and go to replace the motor.
All right, so it's an EXL with DVD. And this tire needs to be new.
Yeah, need to be replaced.
All right. So a little bit there,
Just put it back.
and the
This one, just put it back.
and the new person gonna buy the tire, right?
Yeah.
They have to pay for
They
that.
have to buy the tire.
They have to buy the tire. And then the headlights look good.
Headlight, everything good.
Yep. So this tire looks good.
No, all four tires need to be replaced.
Oh, all tires need to be new.
Sound good now?
Yeah, they look good.
It's okay. What about the other one? Okay.
So this is a this is not a EXL. This
No,
is
this is top one.
the touring.
Yeah, touring.
Oh,
Limited touring.
so it doesn't have a spare tire here.
They
'Cause
have.
They only give you 4 tires when you buy
They
this.
have tire this. They have the tire in here.
There's a tire in here.
Yeah.
Oh, so
See?
this person put in a spare tire. Oh, so it's a touring. Got it.
Cái này ở Phước làm lại Phước bán tới 6.000 ở trên.
All right.
Clean up này nọ hết trơn bán.
2006, 4,500.
See the seat, the leather seat real good.
Yeah.
The leather seat real good, no tear or anything.
Yep. All right. Does it have the original cat?
Original car.
And how about the oil leaks? A little
No.
bit oil leak?
I don't know, but no oil leak.
Okay.
But no oil leak.
So when you sell the car, is it going to come with a oil change
Backup
or?
camera nè.
Okay.
Oil change chuyện nhỏ mà.
Oh, you have the new sticker already.
Yeah, I put the new sticker already. I paid the new sticker already.
All right. And the car drives straight, right?
Very straight.
And the brakes are good?
Brakes good.
Okay. All right. Cool. We'll put this one back. All right. So this is the rundown of the car. So there's the business, there's the owner, and there's the car. So you know where this car came from. That's Lake Merritt over there. We're on International, 5th Avenue. All right, Risker out.